Here are the 6 steps that I follow up to rank my customer's business on the Google Maps with the highest ranking. So this is the business I recently work on, and I have just follow up all these steps. Even if you are going to just doing these till the fourth step, you will start ranking out. For example, this is a painter services from a professional painter for the interior and the home painting, and I have recently working out, and this is the 90 days data. In the 90 days, within the 3 months exactly, I have ranked this business for the local premises from 1 to 5 position. You can see till to its location near its all the areas, it is ranking number 1, and this is not any keyword, it is the highly searched keyword, that is the interior painter. Even if I go to the home painter, you can see it is ranking almost number 1 and the number 2, all these areas here, and there are so many other keywords I have ranked this business out. So how I have done that? First of all, I am using a software that help me to track all these keywords. So this is the local rank tracker by the rating captain, and here I can just add the businesses I am along with this business managing other customers business as well, and I am charging a monthly subscription for them to rank them higher on the Google here. So here's you can see that I have the 6 steps roadmap, and even if you are going till the end of this video and cover the fourth step, you will see that your business start ranking out in the number 1 on the Google here. So the first step, you have to create and optimize your Google business account here. Okay, so you can see first you have to create your GMB, verify ownership, and then after you have to complete the business information, add some photos, and encourage initial customers to give the reviews. Okay, so this is the first step you have to done, and I have exactly did that. I have added the business name here, I have added few photos, I have added the some services and the product that this business is offering here, and basically till the end your business is live on the Google here. Okay, then you have also do this some other step. This is the second step I am going to show you, that is you have to conduct the local SEO here. Okay, for the keyword research, and here's the real magic starts. You need to know what keywords for this business will might work and other businesses or the competitors are ranking in the same industry here. So let me open up this one and show you how you can do the keyword research here. So first you have to identify the target keyword, you have to analyze the competitor keywords, and for that I am also using a tool here, but in this video I'm going to show you a free method as well. For right now, you can see this is services for the painting related. So I will go to the Google here and start searching out like the painter painter slash near me. Okay, so I have done that, and now you can see this is all the competitors start coming up. So there's a Chrome extension available. See, this is the Chrome extension, and with this you can instantly find out the categories. It will help you to find out the keywords as well. So right now if I search painter near me, this is the business I am managing and it is ranking number 3 here. Okay, so this is the Chrome extension you can use, but it's premium. Okay, you have to pay us for the keyword research. So here's the real free way I do that. So simply I have to add a extra space, and it will show me the keywords that I can target here, like painter near me, painter and decorator near me. Okay, and then you can see painter artist, painters near me for the home, painter helper job. Okay, so the I have found out the few keywords, like this is the keyword I can use, this is the keyword I can use, this is the keyword I can use. Okay, now I can go the another keyword like the interior painter, and again I got the sum of the keywords. You can see this is the keyword, this is the keyword, this is the keyword, this is the keyword. So using the some seed keywords, or you have the ideas about the keywords, you can start getting the suggestions on the Google. So this is the search suggestion, but if I scroll down below, you can see I have also the sum of the keywords here that I can target: residential painter near me, interior painter near me, exterior painter, best painter, house painter, okay, wall painter. So there are some also the keywords. Now I will go to the wall painter near me, and till the end I will also get some new keywords. So these are the keywords I can target, and this is sufficient for you because this is this suggested by the Google, and people are also searching out. So you don't need any fancy or the premium keyword research tool for your local SEO. You can just check out and target this suggested keyword. Then you have to add this keyword here. Okay, so this is the tool right now available on the app Sumo. This is the local rank tracker, and this is the same tool I am using here. So you have to just get its lifetime read. It has 100 plus reviews available, and you can read out what the people are talking about this tool here. So if I go to the plans and feature, we have the multiple tier plans available, but I suggest go at least the tier 2 plan, because this plan gives you the multiple businesses to ranking. Okay, and it will also give you the highest number of the keywords you can add for the tracking. Right now you can see in the tier 1 plan you can add up to the 10 keywords here, but I want to more than 10 keywords I want to rank. You can see this is all the keyword, and here some of the keywords I am not ranking as well. For example, if I go to roof waterproofing, you can see for this keyword I am not ranking well. So what I can do, I can also optimizing my local businesses to tracking or ranking this keyword as well. But for this keyword I am ranking good here, almost number one. So that's why I am suggesting get the local SEO tool. This will help you to rank better, and even the help you to track the keyword. And not only that, you can also give the reviews reply. You can just get the statistics. Like for right now this business, on the 28 days I am able to get the more than the 500 profile reviews. Okay, and these views, out of I got the 20 calls, and out of these 20 calls or the leads, the service provider got the around the 2 customers, and those 2 customers is worth it new that he got out of the his traditional way, that is the word of mouth. Basically he do the work for the his customers, and his customers then tell the others that this painter might be also good for you. So that is the word of mouth. But here I have just optimized his business and able to get him the 20 leads. Out of those 20 leads he got the 2 customers. So that is really good thing. Okay, you are getting the new ways of the customers. So that is how you can use the Google My Business here. Okay, so in the second step I have showed you how you can conduct the local keyword research, and then how you are going to target them in the your Google business. Let me now show you that. So you have to add those keywords in your business name. Make sure your business name is not that much of the longest, but it is also uh, uh, adding some services that you are offering. Okay, then the same thing you can do in the description. You can also add the these keywords in the description. Then after that you can add these keywords in the services and the products. So basically you have to add this keyword as much as in the areas you find it, but don't make it over. Okay, otherwise it will just make you something that Google hold you for the notice. Okay, so don't do that. Okay, then the third step we are here. So in the third step we are going to do the optimize the website. Yes, you also need a website that you need to link here. Okay, so how you can create a website? So basically you can use any website builder. These days there are so many out of them. I have also done that using a free website builder here, and this is how I have built his website. It is fast loading, and it is giving out the services that this service provider is offering, and with the locality, with the its mobile number and the business address. So these things you have to notice and make sure you have added in the its website here. So you can use the any other kind of the website builder, and then after that you have to simply add the website link in the its profile here. Okay, you can see I have added the business profile with the website name. So this is basically how I link, and this is the third step I have done. So this will make sure that your website is 100% ready to integrate it with the Google Maps, and you can get the full out of its benefit. The fourth step is the building local citation, and even if you are till this the fourth step, you will start ranking out. So what is the local citation? You know, they are the sum of the local businesses that offer to add the information about the service provider. For example, if you go to search out the painter, you can see we have this is the website. Here I can add this business information with the name, with the phone number and the address. Make sure these three things almost is similar all the website that is offer you to add the business listing here. Okay, so basically you are doing the listing in the fourth step with the consistent name, the phone number and the address information. You can also engage in the local communities, okay, and that way you are building the your citizen. Then we have the two advanced steps, that is the acquire backlinks and monitor performance and the adjust strategy here. So these are the advanced things that you can do as well. So you can see this is all the advanced steps. So if you want to get this checklist in your device, what I suggest, check out the description of this video. I have just pinned the link of this checklist that you can open up and start watching out all these steps here. So meantime, what I suggest, go get its lifetime deal of the local rank tracker, because this is the tool that lets you instantly create rank higher on the Google Maps. So if I go to just here on the statics, you can see I can manage my profile here, and I can just start editing the profile name. I can add the business categories, I can add the description, same in the platform here. It also gives me the action plans. If I go to the agent AI, you can see it is giving me all the things I need to do to complete my profile. So basically I am getting the step by step things I need to do. I need to make it around the 80%, so I know my website or the business profile is ranking higher. Okay, then I can go to this media here, okay, and here I can track all the medias, okay, that I have posted for my business here. If I can create the post in the post section. So this one tool for the local SEO is going to help you with the everything. You don't need to go to every time on the Google here. You have to simply connect here, okay, and you have done here. So how you can connect that? Simply go to the profile and groups, and here you have to just connect with that business email ID that you are just created your business profile, and after that it will start appearing up here that you can integrate and the connect here. Then you can start customizing, tracking and editing your local business aspects. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to check it out, local rank tracker lifetime deal link is given in the description, along with this roadmap that you are watching right now on the screen. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.